been with the company for 20 years and we're a high volume venue. We've got a lot of different demographics and I just honestly never thought we needed it. And then one of our staff member, 47, had a heart attack at work, and thankfully he was okay, but we were never going to put ourselves in that situation again. And so we bought a defib. It was a really good feeling, the peace of mind knowing I had it there. Hoped we'd never used it or would never need to use it. We're just next to a shopping centre and a customer had a heart attack, needed the defib. If we hadn't had it, I would never have forgiven myself, because we always thought it wasn't going to happen to us, and it's happened twice. And we got her going again, the ambulance took her away. We've been on the phone a couple of times for support about the defib and just first aid in general, but then after the event the other day, and I rang the office, they were fabulous. New battery pack, straight in, you know, replaced that, and then a bit of a debrief after the event for the staff. So I wouldn't have been able to get through what we've been through on Thursday without the backup and the support from you guys. So very grateful.